VW Atlas, and I am looking to replace I guess replace isn't the right word. I'm looking to actually change out the cable that matches the engine auto start stop with one that has it starting in the off position rather than the on position. So I'll walk you through what I'm doing with that today. Okay, now we are looking at the center console here of the VW Atlas, and right behind this knob here, which you can't see from this angle very well, is the auto start stop. Go ahead and lift it up here. That's what we're looking at right there. And we are going to change the wiring behind that in order to get it to start in the off position, or the state in which it is not going to automatically start and stop the engine when you are at rest. And so I went on Amazon and I got a cable. This is the cable, and it didn't cost too much. I'll put my Amazon affiliate link down there. It comes with this bodywork tool. I am not going to feel like I need this. We can get our fingers underneath there pretty well. There's a lip right here that we can snag, and then I can just pop it out. It is a little resistant, but it is just plastic bodywork, so we can finagle it around. Okay, and then we can see in here, right? That's this little button's got a tab on it that we need to push back and remove. Get my shoulder in the way there. Pulled that out. And then we take our cable, we'll match it up. We've got the female end there. We're going to match it up to the male end. Push it in, we get that click. And then as we feed it in there, we need to pay attention. There's a gap up at the top that it feeds it into that we can access, and that way it'll push it out of the way. I'm going to use that extra cable length for now, though. Once again, we've got a male version right here and a female part of the connector right there. We're going to go ahead and got the click in there. We'll feed this in, pushing that cable in and up. Then we'll get the bodywork pushed back in place. Feels all good in there. And then we'll go ahead and start it up so everybody can see what this looks like here. And so if we can see right there, the auto off is already set.